Assalamu alaikum. This is Muin Uddin Chisty. So today we will gonna discuss about the Agentic AI Flow, the most trending topic in the year 2025. I guess we will dig down into the Agentic Flow, how the LLMs are working, how the LLMs are coordinating with each other. Inshallah, we'll do much more experiments with the LLMs, how to make your daily life much more simpler than you imagine. To be honest, the impact of agentic AI will be continue from 2025 to 2030 because as you know that most of the works are being automated nowadays. No one want to do the work in the manual way or the usual way. So let's see how far we can go. Please try to buy this course. We will understand the basics of the agentic flow, how the agents are working, how we can program them with our own custom language. Okay, bye.